Welcome to Chapter 9 of our video series on construction law in Malaysia. Today, we will be discussing the topic of completion and finalization of the contract. One of the most important aspects of any construction project is completion. Completion refers to the point where the works have been completed and the contractor hands over the completed project to the employer. It is essential that the works are completed on time and to the required standard. The completion of the works should be in accordance with the contract and any applicable laws and regulations. The contract should specify the completion date, which is the date by which the contractor must complete the works. If the contractor fails to complete the works on time, the employer may be entitled to claim damages or other remedies as provided for in the contract. Another important aspect of completion is defects. A defect is a fault or imperfection in the works that affects their quality or fitness for purpose. Defects can arise due to poor workmanship, faulty materials, or design errors. The contract should specify the defects liability period, which is the period during which the contractor is responsible for defects that arise in the works. During this period, the contractor is required to rectify any defects that are notified by the employer. Once the works have been completed and any defects have been rectified, the finalization of the contract can take place. The finalization of the contract involves the settlement of any outstanding issues between the parties, including the final payment of the contract sum. In order to finalize the contract, both parties should carry out a final inspection of the works to ensure that they have been completed to the required standard and that any defects have been rectified. The contract should also specify the procedures for finalization, including the issuance of the final certificate of completion. In conclusion, completion and finalization of the contract are critical aspects of any construction project. It is essential that the works are completed on time and to the required standard, and any defects are rectified within the specified defects liability period. The contract should specify the procedures for finalization and ensure that any outstanding issues between the parties are settled before the final payment is made. Thank you for watching Chapter 10 of our video series on construction law in Malaysia. We hope you found it informative. In our next chapter, we will be discussing the topic of construction claims and disputes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.